Blue light restorer. Fix blue light oxidation, scratches, and stains on the imager. Blue light is heavily oxidized. Put on the blue light protection cover and shielding sheet. Before use, fill the paint cup with clean water and test spray. Press down to release air only. Press and pull back slowly to release water. The amount of water released is controlled by the degree of pulling back. When spraying, drop 3 drops of ink. Then spray a thin layer of ink first. Then press the air out, let the blow dry, repeat several times until it is perfectly repaired. Then remove the blue light protection cover and shielding film. You can see that the camera has been perfectly repaired. Clean the airbrush with clean water after use. When cleaning, block the nozzle with your hand to reverse the airflow and clean the ink residue.